Welcome, fellow travelers. Prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey to a land steeped in history and brimming with cultural treasures. Today, our compass points towards Armenia, a hidden gem nestled at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. This is a land where every ancient stone whispers tales of empires and resilience, a place where history isn't just read, it's felt. And beyond the historical wonders, every smile you encounter feels like a warm, genuine embrace, a testament to the Armenian spirit. Nestled in the majestic Caucasus Mountains, Armenia boasts a landscape as dramatic as its past. Armenia is a cradle of civilization, a land that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, preserving its unique identity through it all. It's home to breathtaking mountains that pierce the sky, offering panoramic views that will leave you speechless. And scattered throughout this stunning landscape are ancient monasteries, many of them ingeniously carved directly into the towering cliffs. These sacred spaces offer a glimpse into Armenia's deep spiritual roots. Here, history doesn't just reside in museums, it lives and breathes in the streets, in the very fabric of daily life. The food, oh the food. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavors, from hearty stews to delicate pastries, and the spirit of its people is infectious, a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity that will captivate your soul. Imagine standing where Silk Road traders once rested, their caravans laden with exotic goods connecting east and west. Or imagine tasting wine from the world's oldest winery, a testament to Armenia's rich viticultural heritage dating back millennia. Armenia holds the distinction of being the first nation to adopt Christianity as its state religion, a pivotal moment in history. As a result, its landscape is beautifully dotted with thousands of stunning churches, each a unique architectural masterpiece. And majestic monasteries often perched in seemingly impossible locations, testaments to faith and architectural ingenuity. But what truly makes Armenia special, what elevates it from a mere destination to an unforgettable experience, is its people. They are famous throughout the world for their unparalleled warmth and genuine hospitality, a tradition passed down through generations. So don't be surprised, or rather be delighted, if you're spontaneously invited in for a cup of strong, aromatic Armenian coffee, or offered a piece of freshly baked lavash, the traditional thin bread, a staple of Armenian cuisine. In this guide, we'll embark on a journey together, exploring Yerevan's vibrant streets, a city that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with modern life. We'll discover ancient temples, standing as silent witnesses to centuries of history and cultural exchange, and we'll be mesmerized by the pristine waters of Lake Sevan, the jewel of Armenia, nestled high in the mountains. We'll have the opportunity to sample world-class brandy, a drink that embodies the warmth and richness of the Armenian spirit. We'll drive through dramatic canyons carved by time and the elements, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn, and we'll stand in the shadow of the majestic Mount Ararat, a symbol of Armenian identity and resilience, forever etched in the nation's heart. So, get ready to fall head over heels in love with Armenia, a land that will capture your heart and leave you yearning to return. Armenia is a country waiting to share its unparalleled beauty, its rich history, and its indomitable spirit with you. Get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Our adventure begins in Yerevan, a city steeped in history and brimming with modern energy. We're about to dive into the heart of Armenia, starting with its captivating capital. Get ready to explore ancient streets, discover hidden gems, and experience the unique charm that Yerevan has to offer. Armenia's vibrant capital, a bustling metropolis where tradition meets innovation. The city's energy is palpable, a mix of old-world charm and contemporary dynamism that captivates every visitor. Known as the Pink City for its glowing volcanic stone buildings. These stones, sourced from the surrounding landscapes, give Yerevan a unique and warm hue, especially during sunset. The architecture tells a story of resilience and rebirth, reflecting Armenia's rich cultural heritage. The heart of Yerevan is Republic Square, a central gathering place that embodies the city's spirit, where grand architecture and the famous dancing fountains create a lively atmosphere. These fountains, synchronized to music and light, offer a mesmerizing spectacle that draws crowds day and night. The square is surrounded by important government buildings and museums, making it a focal point of Yerevan's cultural and political life. Climb the Cascade Complex, an open-air stairway adorned with gardens and sculptures, a testament to Armenian artistry and creativity. Each level of the cascade offers a new perspective, a new piece of art to admire, and a new opportunity to soak in the city's beauty. For a panoramic view of the city and Mount Ararat, On a clear day, the majestic Mount Ararat provides a breathtaking backdrop, adding to the city's allure. It's a view that connects you to the history and geography of this ancient land. For a taste of local culture, visit Vernissage Market, a treasure trove of handmade jewelry, carpets, and obsidian crafts. Here you can find unique souvenirs and gifts, each reflecting the skill and passion of Armenian artisans. Even if you don't buy anything, chatting with friendly artisans is an experience in itself. Their stories and craftsmanship offer a glimpse into the heart of Armenian culture. Start your day with strong Armenian coffee, brewed in a jazvi, a traditional copper pot that enhances the coffee's rich flavor. And try lavash, the soft flatbread baked in a traditional tonier. This underground oven gives the lavash its unique texture and taste, a staple of Armenian cuisine. Don't miss a tour of the Ararat Brandy Factory to sample legendary Armenian brandy. This brandy, renowned for its quality and flavor, is a symbol of Armenian craftsmanship and tradition. In the evening, stroll near the Opera House, where cafes and restaurants buzz with life. The atmosphere is vibrant and inviting, perfect for enjoying a delicious meal or a relaxing drink. Yerevan is a city where ancient history and modern energy blend seamlessly. It's a place where you can explore ancient ruins and then enjoy a modern art exhibition, all in the same day. Every corner offers a new story, a new flavor, and a warm welcome. The Armenian people are known for their hospitality and generosity, making visitors feel right at home. It's the perfect introduction to Armenia's vibrant soul. Yerevan is more than just a city, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Just outside Yerevan, a tapestry of ancient wonders awaits, whispering tales of bygone eras. We're about to embark on a journey that transcends time, where echoes of pagan kings resonate with the devotion of rock-hewn saints. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty and spiritual depth of Armenia's historical heartland. Step back in time at the Garni Temple, a majestic edifice that stands as a testament to Armenia's pre-Christian past. It's the only standing pagan temple in Armenia, a proud sentinel perched dramatically above the breathtaking Azet River Gorge. Imagine the rituals that once unfolded here, under the vast Armenian sky. Its Greco-Roman columns and dramatic views evoke ancient rituals and sun worship, transporting you to a time when deities were revered in the open air. Feel the energy of centuries past swirling around you. Descend into the Vayots Canyon to witness the Symphony of Stones, a geological marvel that will leave you in awe. Here, you'll find thousands of hexagonal basalt columns, a testament to the powerful forces of nature that shaped this land. These unique formations were created by ancient volcanic lava flows, cooled and crystallized over millennia. For adventurers, hiking through this geological wonderland and rafting down the Azet River offer new and exhilarating perspectives on this stunning landscape. Experience the canyon from a completely different angle, surrounded by its raw, untamed beauty. Nearby, nestled within the same dramatic landscape, the UNESCO-listed Geghard Monastery is carved directly into the imposing cliffs. This sacred site represents a profound shift in Armenia's spiritual landscape. Inside, intricate carvings and haunting acoustics create a deeply spiritual atmosphere, inviting contemplation and reflection. The play of light and shadow within these ancient walls adds to the mystical ambiance. Explore the labyrinthine rock-cut chambers and chapels, and discover the sacred spring, revered for centuries and believed to possess remarkable healing powers. Many come here seeking solace and restoration. As you leave, be sure to try local treats like sweet gata, a traditional pastry, or the colorful and flavorful fruit lavash at the entrance. These culinary delights offer a taste of Armenian hospitality. This remarkable journey from Garni to Geghard reveals Armenia's layered and complex history. A place where the echoes of pagan traditions and the enduring strength of the Christian faith meet and intertwine. It's a powerful and unforgettable reminder of the country's enduring faith, its rich cultural heritage, and the remarkable artistry of the Armenian people. A journey that will stay with you long after you've left. Next, we travel north to Lake Sevan, Armenia's blue jewel, and one of the world's largest high-altitude lakes. Surrounded by mountains, its shimmering waters offer a peaceful escape and breathtaking views. Climb to Noravank Monastery on the peninsula for panoramic vistas, especially magical at sunset. Savor freshly grilled Sevan trout, known as ishkan, at lakeside restaurants. Take a leisurely walk along the beaches or a boat ride to appreciate the lake's vastness and tranquility. Lake Sevan is a favorite summer retreat for locals, with a relaxed holiday vibe. Beyond the scenery, it's a place to slow down and savor Armenia's natural beauty. Whether for an afternoon or a few days, Sevan's serenity is unforgettable. Here, nature and history blend in perfect harmony. Our journey continues to Dilijan, a lush spa town known as Armenia's Little Switzerland. Nestled in Dilijan National Park, the town is surrounded by dense forests, rolling hills, and clear rivers. Stroll Sharambayan Street, lined with artisan workshops, galleries, and cozy cafes. Watch craftspeople create pottery, wood carvings, and textiles, perfect for unique souvenirs. Dilijan is a gateway to hiking trails and hidden monasteries like Goshavank and Hagartsin, both masterpieces of medieval architecture. The region is famous for its honey, organic dairy, and wild herbs. Don't miss the local cheeses and yogurts. Here, you can reconnect with nature and enjoy the simple pleasures of mountain life. The air is fresh, the pace is slow, and creativity thrives. Dilijan is a refreshing escape for body and soul. It's a place where tradition and tranquility meet. Buckle up for an epic drive south through the mountains of Vayots Dzor, following the ancient Silk Road. Cross the Selim Pass, once a vital trade route, and marvel at sweeping alpine views. At the summit, explore the 14th century Selim Caravanserai, a stone inn that sheltered Silk Road merchants and their animals. The journey itself is a highlight, winding through wildflower meadows and past shepherds tending their flocks. Stop at roadside stalls for fresh fruit, cheese, and honey, supporting local communities along the way. As you descend, the landscape shifts to sun-drenched valleys and dramatic red cliffs. This route is more than a road. It's a living link to Armenia's ancient past. Every turn reveals new beauty and history. Welcome to Vayots Dzor, Armenia's premier wine region, where winemaking dates back over 6,000 years. In Arini Village, visit the world's oldest known winery and sample rich cherry-spiced Arini wines. Local families and modern wineries alike offer tastings paired with cheeses and cured meats. Nearby, Noravank Monastery glows against red cliffs, a masterpiece of medieval art and architecture. For ancient mysteries, explore Karahunj, Armenia's Stonehenge, with its enigmatic standing stones. Vayots Dzor delights the senses with its wines, landscapes, and secrets. Here, every glass and every view tells a story. It's a region where history and flavor are inseparable. Our journey nears its end at Khor Virap, a monastery sacred to all Armenians. Here, St. Gregory the Illuminator was imprisoned before converting Armenia to Christianity. Descend into the pit where he was held, a humbling connection to history. The real spectacle is the view. Khor Virap stands before the snow-capped peaks of Mount Ararat, Armenia's national symbol. At sunrise or sunset, the landscape glows with color, perfect for reflection and photography. Khor Virap is a pilgrimage site, a place of faith and national pride. Its location near the Turkish border is a poignant reminder of Armenia's complex history. This is the perfect culmination of your Armenian adventure. Ready to plan your Armenian adventure? Here are some essential tips. Visit in spring or fall for mild weather and beautiful landscapes. Get around by marshrutka, taxi, or rental car. Just agree on prices in advance. Carry some Armenian dram, especially outside Yerevan, and learn a few local phrases like barev, hello, and shnor hakalution, thank you. Dress modestly when visiting churches. Women may need a scarf. Armenia is safe and welcoming, but use common sense as you would anywhere. Savor the food, connect with locals, and embrace the country's rich history and hospitality. From Yerevan's buzz to Lake Sevan's calm, Armenia will leave a lasting impression. Go with an open heart. Armenia is waiting for you.